Myntri Ministry for Minority Affairs Judge Korean Hakas Nginengkong melakukan Kyntait ban ai Jubab ya Kylli babale Myntri rang badu keri Narendra Modi ukir banli yu kejat sya Manipur kebadan ha kathma ya pher jaj penriu ula ong badai ban pek ha yeng dorbar parliament Myntri rang badu ula ai Jubab ya Kylli halor kene kam.
See, in the parliament, Prime Minister answered the question and about this issue. I don't want to say anything more than that.
Well,
But don't you think as a Prime Minister he should have visited Manipur?
You can think.
Don't you think he has
You
been?
think no problem, sir. You ask, no problem. You can think.
No, I'm asking you.
You can think. I am telling. I told my answer. It is full stop.
Are you visiting Manipur?
That I will say. One day I will say.
Not one day.
Now,
Upcoming day.
your order is there.
Not order.
Yes. I obey the order. Obey the order.
Not order. We are people, sir. We are people.
You are people. Yes. That is why I am telling. I obey the order.
So what is the reason, sir, that Prime Minister Modi is not visiting Manipur?
I told the answer.
No.
We did not get any answer.
You did not make any answer.
I told that the Prime Minister explained it in the Parliament. I don't want to say anything more than that. You ask again.
The question is-
Please ask again.
Why is not?
I am
What
having
is the reason?
5 minutes. I am having 5 minutes. You ask. I will
What
sit
is
here.
the reason?
Yes, ask.
Yeah, what is the reason?
Yes, ask.
So
Why
this is your.
Why,
Yes, ask.
why is he not?
Yes, ask. You are having the freedom to ask. The press is having the freedom to ask. Then I am giving time. 5 minutes you ask. I told the answer. Then you have the freedom.